Hello and welcome. In this tutorial I will show you how to perform a database action in GridVis Desktop. Database actions offer you many different functions, such as cleaning the database, restoring deleted devices, or exporting measured values. Since all database actions have a similar structure, I will only show you how to create a project backup in this tutorial. To do so, open the Create New Database Action window and select the Create Project Backup option from the drop-down list. Select the devices to be included in the backup. Then select the time period to be used for the backup. Then select the file format and specify the file name and storage location. If a backup file with the same name already exists, select whether to overwrite the file or append the date and the time of creation to the file name. Check your settings in the summary and adjust them if necessary. Finally, select whether the script for the database action should be executed directly or saved first. Saved scripts must then be executed manually afterwards. A schedule can also be used to start saved scripts automatically on a regular basis. After a successful export, the projects can also be imported afterwards. Thank you for your interest in this tutorial. For more information, please visit wiki.janitzer.de.